Hello my friends, I'm Regina. Welcome to my channel. And I want to show y'all what I've been doing these sketches on. I use like the blank note cards to send out for different occasions. Like birthday, happy, Mother's Day, whatever occasion we want to use. So I on this one, this is like the blank note card of it's totally blank inside. You can either choose the ones that have like the pretty colored image, on the outside of it and totally blank inside, or have total blank front and inside. So I like the blank ones. I like the blank to get the blank note cards because you can personalize, decorate and personalize with whatever message that you want to do, and for whatever occasion that you need to use them for. So you can get the whole packs of blank note cards with the envelopes included, at either Dollar Tree, Dollar General, Walmart, Target, or places like that. So okay, so I drew. I do like the freehand sketching and use first like the pencil, and I've got my little eraser handy, for if I mess up, I can just erase and kind of start over on that part. So, which I buy the separate bigger eraser that doesn't smear when you erase. Because some of my regular pencils, not number 2 pencils, they can be, kind of smear as you go to erase them. So, okay, so I did several of these cards, several of this sketch here, and so which, since they're freehand and they're original artwork, they're all going to be, each is going to be different. Because anytime you do, original art, everyone is going to be different. Okay, so, and then on this one, if I want to, I can personalize here and then, or leave it blank, if the recipient wants to reuse it for something else or use it in a journal or something like that. They, I can choose to, some of them I may leave blank there, or personalize with my message there. And I think I like this too, where I can always go in and add on the border like some little flowers and butterflies and stuff there on the border. That would still leave room for a message there if I want to do that. And then also, let's see, with this one, I think I'm going to include, I did this one here. I drew the freehand sketch of the rose using the pencil and then going back over it with the colored pencils. So I did, and each rose that I do is different because they're all freehand original art. Okay, so on this one I used blank index cards, the 4x6. I got a whole pack of 100 at Walmart, the 4x6, and then you fold it and score it, or score it and fold it, and then you can do your sketch or draw, whatever you want to do, or use stickers or however you want to decorate it. Okay, so yes, the 4x6. So yeah, inside, of course it's blank. You can buy some index cards. You can buy the cards with that are lined on one side and blank on the other side. But on this one, I wanted it to be blank on both sides. And these ones are the Pen Gear brand from Walmart, and I like them because they're not extremely thick. They're like a lightweight cardstock, so that works out well for this purpose. Okay, so I can either do my personalized message here before I mail the card here, or give the card with a gift, whatever, or or put my personalized message here. So this can either be, I'll probably tuck this inside of here and give it, and then so yeah, so I can do my personalized message here or leave this blank. It can be either used, if somebody wants to reuse it, use it for a gift card or like a little mini journal. Either one can be used for that, or just tuck it down inside a journal would be good. So, and then let's see, and then my little I've got a whole pack of these little pink cards. So I put the sticker, A little rose sticker there. This is like rose themed day, isn't it? And even on the envelope, I've got a I put a little rose sticker there on the envelope because I'm gonna mail this one, I think. Okay, so I can tuck this in, or I can, put my personalized message here and leave these blank. If I decide to, and so I can take this inside of here and then this inside of that and then mail it. Alrighty, my friends, I really appreciate y'all watching, and I so appreciate each and every one of you. And I hope y'all all have a fun and fabulous day, blessed day, and I will talk to y'all on the next video. Bye, friends.